This is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. In this video, we are going to walk you through the process of claiming a Prolux warranty. Prolux vacuums are built to last, but if yours runs into an issue, don't worry, we've got you covered. This quick guide will take you step by step through the warranty claim process, so you can get back to cleaning with confidence. First things first, head over to the Warranty Valet website to find the simple steps for filing a Prolux warranty claim. Once you're there, you'll find all the nitty-gritty details about the process in 3 simple steps. After step 3, you'll find Prolux's contact details, including their email and mailing address. As soon as you click the second link, proluxcleaners.com/contact-us, a contact form will appear. You can reach out to them by filling out the form, which requires your name, email, phone number, and a comment. You may also email them at service@proluxcleaners.com. Please include your full name, order number, if available, and the name of the product you are inquiring about. Once you share these details, they will promptly respond to you within 24 hours. Please make sure to have your order number and any related information ready. The team will review the order, purchase details, and the description of the defect you provide via email. If your product qualifies under the manufacturer's warranty, they may offer you a partial refund or provide some parts or supplies free of charge, based on your preference, after inspecting the product. Before we wrap up, remember, if you ever hit a snag or have questions about your warranty, we're just a click away on the Warranty Valet website. We've helped thousands of customers get things sorted, and we're ready to help you too. Consider me your go-to resource anytime. That's a wrap on our warranty claim guide. Got questions? Drop a comment below, and we'll be right here to help. See you next time.